You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. In English, they have quite a bit, quite different spellings, but they have different meanings. You probably already know what they mean. The top word here is the person that inherits something. When somebody dies, generally, they get transferred the property, and that's who the person that inherits the property. Now, the bottom word is what you breathe. They're both pronounced exactly the same way, same pronunciation in English. British English is air, air. Essentially, in British English, the R is not really pronounced. It's an air and then an air. Now, the Americans twist their tongue at the end to pronounce the R. So in American English, it's pronounced air, air. British English again, UK, air. American English, air. So forget about the H to air. It's silent. So those are pronounced the same way, homophones. And now, was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.